How to transfer money from Canada to U.S. bank account. For wire transfer, visit your bank to initiate a wire transfer. You'll need the recipient's bank details, including their account number and the bank's routing number. Banks typically charge a fee for wire transfers, which can range from $10 to $50. For online money transfer, consider using platforms like Wise, PayPal, or Remitly. These services usually offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Sign in for an account, enter the amount you want to send, provide the recipient's bank details, and pay using your Canadian bank account or debit card. By money order, purchase a money order from a post office, bank, or retail store, and then mail it to the recipient in the U.S. They can deposit it into their bank account. There may be a small fee to purchase a money order. By check, write a check in Canadian dollars and mail it to the recipient. They can deposit it into their U.S. bank account. The recipient's bank may also hold the check for a period before making the funds available. Thanks for watching.